Hey folks, flash flood watch kicks in tomorrow at 6 p.m. for Hidalgo, Willacy, Cameron counties. If you're within about 70 miles of the coast or so, you're under this watch, maybe 80 miles. Again, it goes into effect tomorrow at 6 p.m. and goes until 10 o'clock on Monday morning. So all day Sunday, this flash flood watch is in effect unless something changes. Again, you can see there's not much rain on the radar right now, but if we zoom out a little bit, there's plenty of moisture offshore. There's an old stalled front over here that's going to gradually work its way toward the coast, and it's going to work with an awful lot of available moisture to give us that chance of rain. Now, not so much tonight, but notice by 9 a.m. we're starting to see rain along the coast early, and then it just kind of continues on and off throughout the day. And by tomorrow night, there hadn't been much rain in the west, but we're seeing showers, even some thunder showers, the yellows and oranges right along the coast. We continue into Sunday. Notice there's a lot of rain near the coast, not so much rain inland. That's why that watch is in the coastal counties, a little buffer all the way back to the Hidalgo Starr County line. You go into Sunday night, there's still the possibility of rain. Even into Monday, there's the chance for more, so it just kind of adds up. It's not one big downpour, but it's a continuation of the rain. Now notice future track rainfall through tomorrow evening shows not much in the upper valley, so don't count on waking up to just a downpour. That won't be the case unless perhaps you're right at the coast. This is rainfall through 7 p.m. And it's just to get the idea. You can see the heaviest rain certainly in the eastern half of the valley. Some of the rainfall totals through Monday could be significant with, say, 4 to 6 inches possible. Most areas see less than that, but 4 to 6 inches possible. Isolated amounts of more than that. And again, the most likely places, eastern half of the valley. Notice this is showing almost nothing when you get back to the I-69C corridor. So again, the heaviest rain expected to be near the coast, but could come back as far as, say, maybe Weslaco or something like that. Our chance of rain tomorrow is 60%, but it kind of works its way up to that as the day goes on and keeps going up to 80% for Saturday night and Sunday. And then it tapers off a little on Monday. Tuesday may be the driest day of the bunch, but then the rain chance comes back with more tropical moisture coming in for the second half of next week. Here's where we are temperature-wise right now. Everybody's in the 70s, and overnight it doesn't go much of anywhere, upper 60s, so a much more mild night than we've seen this week. And then tomorrow back in the 70s again, maybe a degree or two warmer than even what we saw today. Normal high is 87. We're not going to reach that anytime soon, but the next 7 days will be warmer than the last 5 days have been. That much we know. Look at the rest of Texas. Everybody kind of starting to warm up a little bit. 60s up into the central Texas region. You get up into the Panhandle. Dalhart, one of the warmer places in the state, at 72 this afternoon because they saw sunshine. Not many other places in the state did see sunshine. You can kind of see two streams of moisture, one coming off the Pacific, one coming up out of the Gulf. And where they meet, that's where the big time rainfall is. And down here, we've got this old front. The old front that's just going to kind of settle back toward the coast over the next 24 to 48 hours. At the same time, another front comes down from the north. That'll dry North Texas out, squeeze all the moisture down into South Texas, give us the rain tomorrow night, Sunday into Monday. By Tuesday, I think we get a little bit of a break. You see most of the moisture starts to move out, but then another surge of tropical moisture comes in for the middle of next week, giving us yet another chance for some rain. Let's look around the rest of the country. It's still warm in Florida. They didn't have fall this week like we did. The Northeast, 50s for the most part. The upper Midwest, it's more comfortable than it was a few days ago. It's 45 in International Falls, back up to 60 in Mitchell, South Dakota, and in the Northwest, these are the current temperatures. So for us for tonight, 68 degrees, just a stray shower. Not a rainy night, but there could be a shower in a couple of spots. But then tomorrow, the chance of rain just goes up as the day goes on. By the end of the day, that flash flood watch kicks in at 6 p.m. Rain develops as the day goes on, and again, the best chance near the coast. Farther west you are, the less rain you're probably going to see. So rain develops during the daytime tomorrow, continues through Sunday, last into Monday, and even Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's at least a chance in there every day, but notice we've at least hinted that we might see a little sun by the end of next week. Just a little bit. There's still also the chance for showers even into Thursday and Friday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.